So that was ISE 2026. It has been a fantastic show, and here are highlights.
I've got an Astro handheld here in my hand.
Okay.
I've got 3 buttons on it. You can customize the buttons however you wish.
So it's Glen Sound's Diamond Anniversary. So to celebrate, our sort of showpiece product at the moment is the GTM, our esports box. Limited edition, just as a bit of fun and a bit of a showpiece.
Well, why not? But, you know, I'm worried about the hourly rate.
Our openGear cards that are pretty popular are our MDog 6060 series, which is a 2110 gateway product.
Hey-ho! Hello, I'm blind again.
So we have a partner here with Small Rig that's a V-mount battery that connects to the power link. So what the power link will be able to do is via PoE, you'll be able to power your camera.
Arcadia first started off with support for our FreeSpeak 2 wireless systems and analog party line systems. We then added capacity for our HelixNet digital party line solutions into the same package.
Did I say Ivy? My brain's gone.
On this show, we introduced 2 new devices. The first one is the so-called Command Deck. This is the Command Keyboard Advanced. In addition to this, we have the third row where we can change our video wall.
Now you've said it. Right, that's red line.
Red rec to a bull.
Here we go.
Oh dear.
This is the quad view out. This is the CV355 SDI, 3G SDI out, and HDMI and IP base.
Oh, you know, right now we have 2 different versions. If it's for bonding services and you want to get SDI out, we have the version with 4 SDI outputs.
Titan Command is the industry's first triple 5G modem.
The audio monitor supports 16 SDI, 64 MADI metering. That it is the first IPMX compatible audio monitor in the market.
But now we are using a new technology. It's our BC200 camera. So there you see, so what did the Cam Connect do? It tracked Eva, centered her, and then showed the 2 of us.
Yeah, so the Bridgelife 12G4, and in fact the 12G4 and the 3G8 are very, very similar. It's just a difference in the terms of the video input.
So we've got a 24 fader Argo M and we've got a 36 fader Argo S. But interestingly, the Argo M is running on the Impulse V DSP core.
You can use the synergy capture in the broadcast, but also in the AV Pro market, because you still need to get all these feeds recorded in some way, and the synergy capture is a good solution for that.
Now we're ready with this product, which is Mixboard. You can do all interesting DVE effects in a graphical way, and you can also edit them graphically.
Yeah. Oh, did that hurt?
ProConvert IP to HDMI is even more powerful with enhanced capabilities.
So we are very excited to launch this new product at ISE. It's called Mix One, and it's a video switcher and also a PTZ controller.
That was amazing. See you in NAB in Las Vegas soon.